Welcome to BigLift, where innovation meets machinery. Today, prepare to be amazed as we delve into the world of heavy equipment. From colossal excavators to futuristic loaders, we're about to witness 40 incredible machines showcasing their prowess like never before. Starting with the K-Tech Scraper. Is a versatile earth-moving machine used in construction and agriculture. It efficiently gathers, transports, and redistributes soil and other materials across work sites. Its adjustable blade depth allows for precision in leveling and shaping land for various projects, such as road construction and agricultural field preparation. Designed to prepare soil for planting, the Stroke Varix 4500 cultivator utilizes various tools to break up soil clods, aerate the ground, and create an ideal environment for crops to thrive. Its adjustable settings cater to different soil types, ensuring optimal soil conditions for planting. OJK Auger Ditchers. These machines specialize in digging deep and precise holes for various purposes, such as creating trenches for utility lines or planting trees. They employ an auger mechanism to efficiently drill into the ground while maintaining stability, making them valuable in construction, agriculture, and landscaping. Bagger 288, a colossal excavating machine. Predominantly used in open-pit mining operations, the Bagger 288 is an engineering marvel. It moves massive amounts of earth and extracts resources like coal and minerals. Its conveyor belt system transports materials efficiently for further processing. CAT 6090 hydraulic excavator, renowned for its sheer power and versatility. The CAT 6090 is a heavyweight in the excavation industry. Used in large-scale mining and construction projects, it maneuvers with precision, capable of lifting, digging, and moving substantial volumes of material efficiently. Graco Stump Grinders. These specialized machines are designed for stump removal. After tree felling, they grind stumps down to ground level, allowing for complete stump removal and clearing of land for various purposes, such as construction or landscaping. Prosthesis by Furion Robotics, a marvel in robotic engineering. The prosthesis by Furion Robotics resembles a colossal mechanical suit, designed for heavy-duty tasks in industries like construction and defense. It enhances an operator's strength and mobility. Circular saw for wood chipping, found in lumber mills. This saw slices wood into chips or small pieces, facilitating further processing or transforming the wood into pulp. For paper manufacturing, Von Zeltmore its crawler track, combining crawler tracks with dual-blade mowers. This specialized machine efficiently mows and clears large areas, making it highly beneficial in agricultural and landscaping applications for maintaining vast expanses of land. Front cutter blowers. These machines play a crucial role in clearing debris and unwanted materials from roads, pathways, and open areas. They utilize a cutting and blowing mechanism to ensure clean and safe environments in various settings, including parks, highways, and residential areas. Tesmic T1 to 55 Terrain Leveler SEM. This heavy-duty machine is used in surface mining and civil engineering projects equipped with precision cutting technology. It efficiently levels terrain, cuts through rock, and excavates earth, making it ideal for various mining and construction applications. Zels Planter. The Zels Planter is an advanced planting machine designed for precision and efficiency in agriculture. It accurately places seeds in the soil at specific intervals and depths, optimizing crop growth while reducing manual labor. Drainus Euro Drain AT R450. This specialized drainage machine, the Euro Drain AT R450, excavates trenches for installing drainage systems. It ensures proper water management in fields and construction sites by efficiently creating channels for water flow. Liebherr R9 to 50, known for its high performance in mining and large-scale excavation. The Liebherr R9 to 50 hydraulic excavator is capable of handling significant volumes of material. Its robust design and advanced technology make it a vital asset in heavy industries. P&H for 100 XPC. A colossal electric mining shovel, the P&H for 100 XPC Is used in large-scale mining operations. It's renowned for its impressive digging capacity and efficient loading of haul trucks with immense quantities of earth or minerals. SLR Series Robot. The SLR Series Robot is an advanced robotic system used in various industries for tasks requiring precision and automation. Its capabilities range from assembly line work to hazardous material handling, contributing to increased efficiency and safety. One-pass trencher. This machine efficiently creates trenches in a single pass, commonly used in construction, agriculture, and utility installation. It significantly reduces the time and effort required for trenching tasks, enhancing productivity on job sites. Clambunk skidder. Specifically designed for logging operations. The clambunk skidder transports felled trees from forest areas to collection points. Its powerful grip and maneuverability make it essential in the forestry industry. Rotary stick. A specialized machine used in agriculture. The rotary stick is employed for soil cultivation and weed control. It breaks up soil clods and uproots weeds, preparing the ground for planting while improving soil aeration. Mansonen 120. The Mansonen 120 hydraulic crane is a versatile lifting machine used in various industries, including shipping, construction, and logistics. Its efficient hydraulic system allows for heavy lifting and precise material handling. Rimple SH1000 Salt Harvester. Specifically designed for salt harvesting. The Rimple SH1000 efficiently extracts salt from salt pans or mines. It streamlines the harvesting process, improving productivity in salt production facilities. Komatsu L350. Renowned as one of the largest wheel loaders globally. The Komatsu L350 is utilized in mining and large-scale construction projects. Its high loading capacity and robust design make it a valuable asset in material handling operations. T-Strack B7E. This mobile jaw crusher is designed for high-capacity crushing in quarrying, demolition, recycling, and mining applications. Its efficient crushing mechanism enables the processing of various materials, enhancing overall productivity. Lumberjack LJ450. A specialized machine for forestry operations. The Lumberjack LJ450 efficiently cuts and processes logs into manageable sizes, aiding in timber production and processing. Amphibian Sludge Suction Machine. This versatile machine is designed to remove sludge and waste from water bodies or industrial sites. Its amphibious capabilities enable it to operate in water and on land, effectively cleaning and maintaining aquatic environments. TimberPro TL755D. Designed for logging operations. The TimberPro TL755D is a powerful machine that assists in felling, delimbing, and processing trees. Its efficiency in handling large trees makes it indispensable in the forestry industry. Tiger Stone. A unique paving machine. The Tiger Stone automates the laying of bricks in a preset pattern, significantly speeding up the process of road or pathway construction while ensuring precision and uniformity. John Deere 770 GP Motor Grader. Used in road construction and maintenance. The John Deere 770 GP Motor Grader efficiently levels and grades surfaces, ensuring smooth and even roadways for safe transportation. Gensim 820 DQ Mobile Chipper from Nolan Shaft Sliga. This mobile chipper effectively processes wood into chips or small pieces, facilitating recycling or further utilization in various industries like paper production and bioenergy. John Deere 1050 Dozer. Renowned for its power and reliability. The John Deere 1050 Dozer is used in land clearing, grading, and heavy construction projects. Its advanced features and robust build make it an essential machine for earth-moving tasks. Double Road Disc Ripper Brag T-6B. The Double Road Disc Ripper Brag T-6B is a specialized agricultural implement used for soil cultivation. It effectively breaks up compacted soil, aerates it, and prepares the ground for planting by using multiple discs to till the land. Slackpot Taurus in steel mills. Slackpot Taurus is a specialized machine used in steel mills for refining and processing molten metal. It helps in controlling the temperature and chemical composition of the metal during various stages of production, ensuring quality output. Amphibious Menzimuck Excavator. This versatile machine is designed to operate in challenging terrains, including swamps, marshes, and wetlands. Its amphibious capabilities enable it to perform excavation and maintenance tasks in such environments where traditional equipment might struggle. Modern hedge trimming machines. These machines are designed for efficient and precise trimming of hedges and shrubs in landscaping and gardening. They enhance the aesthetic appeal of landscapes while maintaining the shape and health of plants. Foreign Self-Propelled Mulcher LV600. The Foreign Self-Propelled Mulcher LV600 is a powerful machine used in land clearing and vegetation management. It shreds trees, brush, and other vegetation efficiently, making it suitable for forestry, agriculture, and land development. Next Trencher Trenching Machine. Employed in construction and utility installation. The Next Trencher efficiently creates trenches for laying cables, pipelines, or other underground utilities. It provides precision and speed in trenching operations. Sunfish Trencher. The Sunfish Trencher is a compact and versatile machine used in landscaping and irrigation projects. It efficiently digs trenches for laying irrigation lines or cables in residential and commercial settings. Treacher Blade for gravel application. This specialized attachment is used in heavy equipment, like tractors or loaders for spreading and leveling gravel on roads, driveways, or construction sites, ensuring an even and stable surface. Land Pack Tractor with a huge rotating shaft. A land pack tractor equipped with a large rotating shaft is used for soil compaction and leveling in agricultural fields or construction sites. It compacts the soil to enhance its stability and fertility. Prinith's Hydrogen-Powered Snow Groomer. This innovative snow groomer is powered by hydrogen, offering an eco-friendly solution for maintaining ski slopes and snow-covered terrains. It efficiently grooms and compacts snow for recreational purposes while reducing environmental impact.